Hello guys, it is matter of great pleasure. This is Ravin Verma from Skin Technologies. Dear students, today I will tell you how to configure Tomcat Apache server. So first of all, we have to install Java. JDK 1.6 are later versions that are currently available. Before this, JDK 1.4 and JDK 1.5 are also available, but the latest version of the Java is JDK 1.7. As according to your need, you can configure. So first of all we will install JDK 1.6, and the installation process will be as usual you must have done previously. So I am setting you the path for the Java. That's first of all we will go to computer, and the Java will be stored at the C drive by default, and there will be program files. That's it, program files. In program files there is a folder Java and JDK 1.6, that is a bin. That means all the exe files that are required to compile the Java code are available here. You must notice all that. So we have a path for the Java. Copy this path and configure your environment variable. Okay, we have copied this path here, and now we are going to configure the environment variable. Just go to my computer, properties, advanced system setting, environment variable, and set the Java home as given here. Variable edit system variable name Java home, variable name be path from where the Java is installed. It is installed in my computer at C program files Java JDK 1.6. This path is must and press OK. Now set the Java path. So click here and edit, and you must configure the Java for path as usually you are seeing. It is a root directory, so don't disturb, otherwise some of the root setting will be disturbed. So I am making you aware about this. First of all, put colon and C program files JDK 1.6 bin and press OK. Now we have made the environment variable and the class path. Okay, first step is almost done. Now you have to install Tomcat Apache server. So you can download Tomcat Apache from Jakarta site, and after installation it will be stored at, it can be installed at any drive. It depends on the version whatever you are using, but I have used the extracted version, that is at the D drive. Okay, here is the folder Tomcat Apache Tomcat 6.0.1 and press it. Okay, the directory configuration in Tomcat Apache is very important. Now we have a bin folder, that is for bin information, config folder for the configuration tools, and lib folder, logs, temp, web apps. Now you have to click web apps, and inside the web apps folder create a folder test. That is, inside the test folder, create a folder webinf, and inside the webinf folder, there will be folder classes, lib src. All these folders must be in lowercase. Okay. So in classes, we will compile the servlet code and put the class file here. And in src, you can put your Java code, txt files, etc. But after compilation, it is very important to copy the class file from here and put this class file in classes folder. Now we have, you can see very carefully, in src folder there is a program first servlet.java, that is first Java servlet program. It is given here. We have imported Java x.servlet, we have imported import Java x.servlet.http data stick, and we have displayed a simple message out.println, hello, this is my first servlet. And after compiling, I have put the class file in classes folder, a first servlet.class file. Okay, now we will have to configure the XML file, that is inside the test folder, in webinf, in web.xml. Now open this web.xml. I can open this using WordPad. It will take some time. Okay, it's the XML file that is used for configuring Tomcat servlets. So there is no need to worry anything about this. We have to introduce this tag servlet as I am highlighting here, and you can configure your servlet here. Inside this servlet tag, this servlet tag, and this, it is the opening servlet tag and it is the closing servlet tag. Inside the servlet tag, forget this, there is no need to remember this. First of all, we have a servlet name tag. This is open and close. Inside this tag, we have to give a variable name for our servlet. That is, the servlet class is first servlet. It means the name of the servlet class is first servlet.java. The name of the class is given here, and for this class we have given a variable name first servlet. Okay, then we have to map the servlet when we will call it. Then we have to introduce a new tag servlet mapping. Inside the servlet mapping tag, we will give the servlet name. Inside the servlet name, the variable name first serve is as very similar to the servlet name given here, but there is another different thing, URL pattern /hello. That means on my local host I will call my test folder, and on my local host I will call the hello servlet. Okay, the things are almost done. Now you have to start your servlet. Inside the bin folder, there is startup.bat. Press OK. It will take some time. Servlet will start. Okay, it is started again. Now we have a local host. Run your browser and press localhost http. Okay, then localhost :80 because your server is running. Press enter. Okay, it's starting Tomcat Apache server. Now your server has started. You can directly call /test. It is the name of the folder from where your servlet is stored, and the name of the servlet variable is hello. Okay, server to run. Thanks a lot.